Have you been searching for the perfect sedan with safety and reliability without breaking the bank? We'll take a look at this 2016 Kia Forte LX in silky silver. With HID headlamps, electronic stability control, 16-inch aluminum wheels, brake assist, shark fin antenna, front bucket seats, steering wheel mounted audio controls, 40,000 miles on the odometer, 5-inch touchscreen, rear backup camera, SIRIUSXM satellite radio, split folding rear seats, 1.8-liter 4-cylinder engine, and so much more. For additional details or to schedule a test drive, visit us at marinocjd.com, stock number 6700B.
Here's another high-quality vehicle with a CARFAX vehicle history report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the CARFAX buyback guarantee.